Hello! Kumusta kayo dyan? Ako okay lang. Hello mga kadarling. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. My name is your kadarling Budoy. What's up, yo? This is my son, kadarling Zohan, and this is my daughter, kadarling Zoe. For those who don't know us yet, we are kadarling. Alright, for today's video, mga kadarling, magtatanong ako sa mga anak ko kung ano ang mga animal sounds. Say, Zohan, what's the sounds, what is the sound of a horse? How about you, Zoe? What's the sound of a chicken? Oh, pak pak. What's the sound of the chicken, kuya? That's right. And Zoe, what's the sound of a snake? That's right. And how about you, Kuya Zohan? What's the sound of cow? Moo. Well done. And how about you, Zoe? What's the sound of a dog?
Rock, rock.
Ooh, rock, rock, or woof, woof, woof. Well done. And lastly, Zohan, what's the sound of a cat? Lovely. All right, that's it for today, mga kadarling. See you next video. Bye-bye.